To use the shower at Birchwood House, you will see that there are two dials, one either side of the tap. The left dial is for the water flow and the right dial is for the temperature. If you wish to increase the temperature any higher than 38 degrees, you will need to press in this red button to enable you to go any higher. This is a safety feature. To start the water flow, turn the left-hand dial towards the wall. You will notice that no water comes out immediately. This is because there is an option on the actual shower head to start the water flow and then to stop it again. If you wish to use the tap to fill up the bath, turn the water flow off, use the lever here to push down, then you can start the water flow again and you will see that the water comes out of the tap instead of the shower head.